How to find Wi-Fi password on Windows PC, Windows 8.1, 10 and 11. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us encounter, forgetting the Wi-Fi password. Whether you've just set up a new device or you're trying to connect a friend's laptop to your Wi-Fi network, finding the password can be a real challenge. But fear not. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Wi-Fi password on Windows PCs running Windows 8.1, 10, and 11. Let's get started. First, click on Start. Type to search Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on the Wi-Fi network that you want to view the password. Click on Wireless Properties. Then, go to the Security tab. Check the box that says Show Characters, and you'll see the Wi-Fi password. You can easily find the Wi-Fi password on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. See you next time.